The desire for home ownership continues to trend upward, and it seems like everyone wants to buy a house.
There is a house I want to buy.
I gotta go buy a house.
I want to buy a house.
Low interest rates, COVID has people rethinking their housing options, and a lot of first-time home buyers are hitting the market. Hi, I'm Francine Viola, realtor in Olympia, Washington, and July broke some records. We had the highest number of sales for any month, but that's because we also had a lot of new listings, 726 new listings to be exact. But buyers quickly devoured those as 672 listings went pending. Although more listings came to the market, some headlines state that the market is softening. First, it is normal that our market sees its most number of listings in July. Second, home prices are not flattening or softening. That is the real headline. Home prices are still going up even though we added more listings. But to keep it in perspective, July had 16 days of inventory, June had 12 days. The market is still very much a deep seller's market. Market-wide median home prices are up over 18%, and looking at the trailing 12-month median home price to over $420,000. Considering our historic annual gains have been about 5.5%, going up over 18% in 1 year is pretty impressive. This means most sellers are doing quite well, and sellers who sold in less than 2 years on average have enjoyed six-figure gains, which is really impressive. For July, with more listings coming on the market, the competition eased slightly. July was the lowest percentage of contracts with multiple offers since January. But again, this doesn't mean we are shifting into a buyer's market. Unfortunately for buyers, we just are not. The fact is, buyers still outweigh sellers 2 to 1. This imbalance between supply and demand is pushing home prices up. In July, 81% of the contracts were at or above the asking price. In summary, the market is still in a deep seller's market. Prices are still escalating rapidly. Sellers may not be receiving a gazillion offers like they were in the spring, but they are still getting multiple offers and very strong offers. The fact is, we still need a lot more listings to temper the fast pace of the price gains. I have lots of tips for both buyers and sellers. Be sure to check out my playlists. And as always, if I can help you in your sale or purchase, call or email me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.